Hello math learners, this is me, Miss Mylene Villalon. I'm here to discuss you the linear equation. So, what is the linear equation? A linear equation is an equation involves variables raised only to the first power. The goal is to isolate the variables on one side of the equation. So, what is the standard forms? So, this is the standard forms. AX plus BY equals C. Now, class, we have 5 different examples of linear equation. Example number 1. 2x plus 3 equals 11. So, first, we need to use transpose 2x equals 11. Then, the positive 3 transpose into negative 3. So, this simplifies to 2x equals 11 minus 3 is equals to 8. Then, to find the x, we need to bring down 2. So, cancel. Then, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So, this is the final answer. Example number 2. 3x minus 5 equals 16. So, first, we need to transpose the term. 3x equals 16. So, the negative 5 transpose into positive 5. Then, 3x equals 16 plus 5 is equals to 21. Now, we need to bring down 3 both sides to find the x. So, cancel. Then, 21 divided by 3 is equals to 7. So, this is the final answer. Example number 3. For the quantities of x minus 2 equals 12. So, first, we need to use this to distribute the 4 into left side. 4 times x is equals to 4x. 4 times negative 2 is equals to negative 8. Copy that 12. Then, we need to use transpose the equation. 4x equals 12. The negative 8 transpose into positive 8. Now, this simplifies into 4x equals 12 plus 8 is equals to 20. Then, we need to bring down 4 both sides to find the x. Cancel. Then, x equals 20 divided by 4 is equals to 5. So, this is the final answer. Example number 4. 5 negative 2x equals 3. If the equation is like this, automatically transpose the term. Negative 2x equals, copy the 3, then the positive 5 transpose into negative 5. So, this simplifies into negative 2x equals 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 2. Because the role of the sign in addition, if the unlike sign, you need to subtract and copy the biggest number of the sign. So now, Bring down the negative 2 both sides to find the x. Cancel. X equals negative 2 divided by negative 2 is equal to positive 1. Because in division, negative divided by negative is positive. So this is the final answer. Example number 5. 3x plus 4 equals 2x minus 5. First, we need to arrange the term. 3x, the positive 2x transpose into negative 2x equals, copy the negative 5. Then, the positive 4 transpose into negative 4. Then, we need to subtract 3x minus 2x equals negative 5 minus 4. First, we need to subtract 3x minus 2x. It is equal to x equals negative 5 minus 4 is equal to negative 9. Because the role of the sign in subtraction, the negative minus negative is equal to negative. So, we need to copy the sign, then add the number. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So, this is the final answer.